National Weather Service in Tulsa has issued a flash flood warning for northern Okfuskee County in east central Oklahoma, Creek County in northeastern Oklahoma, northwestern Okmulgee County in northeastern Oklahoma until 9:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:07 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the Warren area. Between 1 and 3 inches of rain have fallen. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Expected hazards include flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. This is a radar-indicated threat.
The power went out, so my radio had to reset. That's why I only said 1.
Streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Bristow, Sepulpa, Oak Kiefer, Biggs, Molly, Mounds, Kellyville, Depew, Baden, Slick, Shamrock, Welty, Okmulgee State Park, Mason, Milford. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles.
Holy crap. 182. 183.
The National Weather Service in Tulsa has issued a flash flood warning for southern Craig County in northeastern Oklahoma, Delaware County in northeastern Oklahoma, Maize County in northeastern Oklahoma, eastern Rogers County in northeastern Oklahoma until 8 p.m. Central Daylight Time.
That was cool.
At 4:59 p.m. Central Daylight Time,
I know, thank you.
radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the Warren area. Between 1 and 3 inches of rain have fallen. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Expected hazards include flash flooding caused by thunderstorms.
All right, thank you guys.
This is a radar indicated threat.